Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn a remaining part of the question Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution. If you see the second video of statistical mechanics, that was on the topic Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics. So today's topic is not new topic. Actually, it is a part of Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, which we have seen in the second video of statistical mechanics. So you can connect today's topic with the previous question, MB distribution law. So if you see the question of paper 5B, you will find that question is like this. Derive Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution function and find expression for average translational energy. Okay, we have already discussed Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics in second video. Today we are going to complete the rest part of that question, and that is expression for average translational energy. One listen one thing. In the last three video, we discussed upon three statistics. One classical, that is Maxwell-Boltzmann, and next two video were on quantum statistics, that is FD statistics and Bose-Einstein statistics. And next three video will be related to these three statistics. Okay. Again, I am saying that what is the type of question? As I told you just few minutes before, so derive Maxwell-Boltzmann distribution function and find expression for average translational energy. So today we are going to complete the rest part of Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, means we are going to find the expression for average translational energy. Now let us start. Let us consider an ideal gas containing n molecules. It is assumed that the gas is ideal and has only kinetic energy of translational. Because in a gas, we assume that there is no interaction between the two molecules. So intermolecular attraction is absent. That is what that is why the energy which is in the molecules of the gas is only kinetic energy. Okay. Let us consider continuous distribution of molecular energy. So far we were considering discrete energy E1, E2, E3, EI, EK, En. Today, to solve this question or the part of the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics, we assume or we consider continuous distribution of molecular energy. Okay, and then the equation, last equation of the Maxwell-Boltzmann statistics can be written as NEDE GE e to the power minus alpha e to the power minus beta E DE. What is NED? NEDE represents the number of molecules, okay, having energy between E and E plus D. Here D is the range of energy. And what is GE? GE represents the number of states that have energy between again E and E plus D. So here in equation 10, right side you will find the first term GE, and first of all we are going to find GE D. So let us first find GED. So how to find? You can see a molecule having energy E has a momentum P is equal to under root 2 me. How? You can see here, since E is equal to half mv square, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Here you will multiply by m and divide by m. So multiplication and division both. It will be m square v square, and 1m will be in the denominator, that is taken this side, and this 2 is also taken this side. It will be this one. And now mv, see here, mv, product of mass and velocity. This is momentum, linear momentum, and it is denoted by p. So it is p square is equal to 2m. You can ignore this sentence in the examination, because it is not necessary to write in the examination. I have written only for your convenience, so you may leave this part. Okay, this part. Let us imagine a momentum space whose coordinate axis px, py, pz as shown in figure. Here, figure is like this. See here, and another I am taking another sphere, and this one, this is the radius p, and this is the thickness dp. Okay, this is your p, this is the center. First you assume this is center, this is p radius, and this is dp thickness between the two, or you may say sail. So and here we take one axis from here, another axis from here, and another third axis from this side. So one is px, another is py, and third is pz as shown in figure. The number of momentum states available to a particle in the momentum range p and p plus dp is proportional to volume of spherical shell in momentum space of radius p and thickness dp. So again you can understand here. See here, this is your spherical shell, one spherical shell. Here the radius p, here the radius p to p plus dp, this one. Okay, now the thickness is dp. So what will be its volume? Volume of the spherical shell is 4 pi p square into thickness dp. Okay, so gp dp. Here you can see GED. Actually, we are going to calculate GEDE, but we have started from P square dP, because here I have taken the spherical shell having the radius P and P plus dP. So thickness of the shell is dP. So 4 pi P square dP. Hence GP dP is equal to BP square dP, where B is some constant. Okay. Since each momentum magnitude P corresponds to a single energy, this is very important. Momentum P corresponds to energy, single energy E. So you may replace P by E, and then it will be GEDE. GEDE. Okay, and right side as it is BP square dP. Now you have seen P square is equal to 2me. So P is equal to under root 2me, and on differentiation it will be 2p dp, and here 2m de, this one. and let us put the value of p square and dp, we get this one. Here m, 1m is outside, 1m is inside the square root. So under square root means m to the power half, here m, so m to the power 3 by 2. This m is taken outside. So under square root, the remaining, the term left to e, and d is here. Substituting in equation 10, this is set, this value is set here, we get this one. Okay, after putting this value in equation 10, we get NEDE is equal to this one. Actually, new term C. C is replaced by this one. We have assumed is another constant C in place of b root 2m 3 by 2 e to the power and so on. What is n? N is the total number of molecules. So we may write n is equal to integration 0 to infinity NEDE. And NED, as we have obtained just now here, n is equal to this one NEDE. So we get this one. Here this one is integration. This is standard integration, and we are not going to solve the integration here. Actually, we are going to write its value. And what is its value? See here. Equation integration of this type is this one. Okay. So here you can match it. This is x, this is e, this is beta, this is a, and this is e, this is I. So what is the difference between the two? E x and beta a. So here a means beta, here a means beta. So see here, its integration is this one, and c into this one. After solving, we get C is equal to 2 pi n pi kt 3 by 2. Now, therefore, NED. So here, NED is equal to this one, because C is, once we get the value of C and can be substituted here, C here in equation 14. Now we will get, and here beta is equal to 1 by kt, the total kinetic energy of the system. Total kinetic energy means integration, and it will be after solving here. Again, one thing here, this is again integration. Again, we are not going to solve this integration here. Instead, we are going to put its value, and its value we have to remember this one. The value of this integral is this one. So sen we will put here, and we get, after cancellation of the similar term, we get E is equal to 3 by 2 n kt. This is the energy, total energy, but we are interested to get average energy. As you know, average means total by total number of, total energy by total number of molecules. So it is read as E bar. E bar is equal to E by n. So here n cancelled, it will be 3 by 2 kt. Okay. And this is for 1 mole of gas, n is Avogadro number. Hence, for 1 mole of an ideal monatomic gas, E is equal to 3 by 2 nkt. Nk, what is Nk? This Nk, Avogadro number and Boltzmann constant equal to universal gas constant. So E is equal to 3 by 2 nkt is equal to 3 by 2 RT. This is the value of average translational energy. So I hope you have understood this answer. Again, I want to mention one thing, that you have to connect this part with the Maxwell Boltzmann statistics part, because in the examination so far I have seen that question MB statistics is attached with the translational energy. So, from the examination of point of view, you should be clear that this part may be asked with the MB statistics as per pattern. So, you have to prepare yourself accordingly. So, thank you.